In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Google AI Studio. So this is very simple, and the first step is basically to open your project in Google AI Studio for which you want to connect your domain. And then the next step is in top right corner, click on Save to GitHub. And from here, you want to sign into your GitHub account and we want to create a repository. So I'm gonna type it Hostinger domain test. And then you can type your description. You can also choose if you want to make it private on GitHub or public. Then click Create Git Repo. Now you want to click on Stage and commit all changes. So this will upload your file to GitHub. So when you see no changes to commit, you want to go to vercel.com. So if you don't have account on Vercel, you can create a new account here, and once you are signed, you want to click on Start Deploying. And then from here, you want to connect your GitHub, and then you will see all your repositories from GitHub. So this is the repository we created in Google AI Studio. So it's just now hosting a domain test, and you want to click on Import. From here, you can change your name or whatever you want, and then you just want to click on Deploy. Now, if you scroll, you will see deployment. So it's going to deploy this project on Vercel. And then from here, we can add our Hostinger domain. And once it's ready, it will show you congratulations. Now you will see that you have the option to add your domain. So you can click on Continue to Dashboard. And then from here, we just need to click on Domains from here. So click on Domains. From here, you will see your default Vercel domain. And to add a new one, you just want to click on Add a Domain, or you can buy new domain if you don't have domain. But in this case, we are connecting Hostinger domain, so we already have domain. And from here, you want to paste your domain from Hostinger. So you want to go to Hostinger and copy your domain and paste it here. Then make sure this is checked. It's recommended. So it will redirect this to this, and then just click Save. Once you add your Hostinger domain, the next step we need to do is we need to update our DNS records. So you will see invalid configuration. So you want to click on Learn More here also. And from here, you will get those two DNS records, which you need to add in your Hostinger. So the first one is A. So type is A. This is name and this is the value. So you want to copy the value of the first record. Then go to Hostinger. And in domains, you want to go to DNS name servers. And from here, you just want to make sure to add those two records. So first one was A, this is name, and points to is the address, so this. Then add record, DNS record created successfully, and make sure before adding those two records, you don't have the existing A record or CNAME. Now the second one is CNAME, www is name, and this is the address. So I'm gonna copy the address, and the type was CNAME, www. And target is the address, so add record. And now once you added those two records, you want to click on refresh. So valid configuration, so this means it has been successfully connected. Now you can go back to overview, and from here you will see your custom domain. So this is how you can add your Hostinger domain to Google AI Studio. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.